What is going on, guys? Rodney here with Crypto Bros. Welcome to today's video. We're just doing a quick update on Bitcoin. A lot has happened over the last 48 hours. Seen a lot of price action. Funny story, I actually shot a video early this morning on where Bitcoin was and what was being projected. Right around that point in time, Bitcoin was $6,100. I went to upload the video, publish it, and then leave. The video actually never published while I was gone. I came home 6 hours later. Huge increase in Bitcoin price. So we're actually going to do an updated video from there. Before we jump into that, though, quickly wanted to say thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd obviously love to have you. Also, I am giving away a Cool Wallet S hardware wallet. Here it is in my possession. It is all wrapped up nicely for you guys, like packaged, seals intact, all that good stuff. But I'm giving one of those away a week from yesterday. I'm doing the drawing Friday, August 17th. You can check out my full review on the wallet here. Also, there are instructions on how to enter into the contest, just to kind of give you a cheat sheet. What you're going to do is you're going to go to this tweet right here. The link to the tweet is in the comment section and the description. All you do, go to this tweet, make sure you follow Cool Wallet, make sure you follow me, and you have to leave a comment in the comment section in order to be entered, because that is how I'm going to pick the winner. But anyway, you can check all that out in the video. Really cool wallet, really cool project. Anyway, on to Bitcoin. So current market cap is 216 billion. When I shot my early morning video, we were right at 208 billion and trading at 6,100 bucks. Since then, you guys can see here the bounce from basically 6,100 up over 64. In this morning's video, we were going through some scenarios to where the actual price points were going to be. This chart right here is from Hygen. He basically was saying we have filled all the buy rungs as Bitcoin kind of retraced from 8,300 at that 6,100 point, and everyone was pretty much projecting, well, I mean, it goes without saying, but we're either going to go up and down. So we were either going to catch a bounce right around the 6,100 mark, or we were going to break through and go down into the 5Ks. The interesting thing, though, about the the 5K price point or being in the 5Ks, it's only happened one other time here in 2018, and for that same fact, it was only in the 5K price range for about 24 hours. So we didn't see that, and we did catch the bounce. Another one that we looked at was from Mark Dukas. He says the key Bitcoin trend is bearish, and the support is on the edge right now at $6,100. The resistance sits at 6,250 and 6,750. The next key level, I continue to state for the bulls to defend, is 57.77. Considering we broke 6,250 and are now trading at 6,400, that 6,250 now becomes a support line. So interesting pieces all around there. Now, a lot of people's questions were surrounding why, well, one, why we saw the drop down to right around 65, and then why we saw the drop again from 65 to 61. And a lot has kind of progressed over the last 24 to 48 hours. The ETF movement we obviously saw on Thursday really brought the market down to the 65 range. Then on Friday, we see this article from Coinbase, from them, their trading platform, Coinbase Pro, the old GDAX, halting Bitcoin USD trading pairs. And this article, we're just going to buzz through this really quick, but it says on August 10th, Coinbase, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange platforms in the world, keep in mind there is a ton of trading and liquidity that happens on GDAX specifically with Bitcoin, and it says has announced that Coinbase Pro has identified a problem in the BTC USD order book, because of which the pair was unavailable for trading on the platform for hours at a stretch. The halt of the trading has led to a state of distress among platform's customers, and it could have also resulted in customers incurring a loss as it affects the Bitcoin market as a whole. Then it just kind of talks about some of the things here. We can see obviously people were really pissed off about that, but it says Coinbase announced that the BTC order book did not have sufficient liquidity, which was required to enter a limit-only mode. This was the reason for the clearance of the book in general. So fairly big deal here that caused a lot of kind of panic and sell-off in the market, messed with the liquidity as a whole here. The big thing to understand is how much presence GDAX / Coinbase, whatever you want to call it, has in terms of Bitcoin trading on a large scale. So very interesting piece there. And then obviously I think everyone is fairly up to speed with the whole ETF delay. That's been the talk of the town this week. Just an interesting article that came out, though, to kind of reference that. It says CNBC's Brian Kelly says don't sell crypto after Bitcoin ETF delay. He just kind of goes in there saying, you know, if people are actually selling off because of this delay, it's the wrong move. But then he also notes the fact that, look, chances are we're going to see SEC delay this again on September 30th. He has he's a Bitcoin guy, and this is on CNBC, so that's very cool news to see. And then a couple other parts in there, you know, they talk about more investment powerhouses and this and that being in there. But between the ETF delay as well as the Coinbase kind of trading halt, you know, we saw Bitcoin tumble quite a bit. So that is kind of what has pulled the markets down. The beautiful thing here is we did catch this bounce. And I'm happy to see that, not necessarily because of price points that I care, but it's good for the overall sentiment of the market. So also in my video this morning, as we were looking at some of these prices, man, there's actually been a pretty decent turn up in the market in general. You know, I talked about plays that I would make right now, and that there's two plays that a person can make. You can either continue to buy altcoins because a lot of them are at the very bottom, or you can stay in the majors because those will take off first. I have a couple other buddies who are playing the altcoin play in terms of I'm going to grab my favorite altcoin projects at a very super low price, and I'm going to wait it out until we catch the next bull run, whether that's in October through December or whether that is into 2019. I do not care, but that is their play. My play, because I'm already heavily invested in altcoins and not so much in the majors, is really focus on building my portfolio of Bitcoin. And the other one that I'm going heavily after is actually NEO. In this morning's video, we were trading it at low 18s. Now we're up to 19 bucks, but either way, I still like the NEO price point under $20. Actually, a buddy of mine yesterday mentioned that he picked some up for 16 bones. So in terms of the plays that I'm making, Bitcoin is my number one. I sit on a good amount of Ethereum, so I will be adding to that. And then the other play that I will be making is into NEO. I think NEO has a lot going for it, and in terms of my portfolio, I think it lacks in that sector. So anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Just quickly wanted to do just an update on Bitcoin. I've been getting just a few texts from some friends wondering what is going on in the market. These are kind of the two catalyst events between the ETF delay and Coinbase halting the trading pair with Bitcoin. So all that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, would love to have you. Also, definitely go enter into this wallet giveaway. Super jacked up about it. I'll actually be doing like a user interface review on this. In this video right here, I just talk about the tech, why it's good, what it has going on in comparison to other hardware wallets out there. But I will be kind of pulling my phone up on the screen, doing a run through. You can also, if you're interested in buying one of these wallets from Cool Wallet S, I do have a link below, so you can totally check that out if you're interested in it. But all that being said, guys, definitely enter in the contest. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I will catch you later.